What's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me on another video. As some of you know, it's been a while since I made a video. Had a lot of things going on in my life, and I had to move unexpectedly a few weeks ago, and kind of just put a big halt on everything I had going on. So the last thing that had happened was I dropped off the twin turbo to Paint Pros to get painted, get the wide body painted. I finally got it back a couple days ago, and I figured I'd make a video showing how it looks. Let you guys see the kit all painted up. There's a couple of things I still need to get worked on, but nothing major. For the most part, the wide body kit is done. And then soon it's going to go back over to Mateo Motorsports so he can make me a nice front splitter. And from there, just little things here and there. But for the most part, she's good to go right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the car. So there you go. It's the car all painted up. I think it looks great. I like it so much. I mean, I don't know what took me so long to get it, but I'm glad I finally got it. And I'm glad you guys are able to see it with me. And I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Car's really dirty, like really dirty. I've been trying to wash I've been trying to wash her for the last couple of days, but it's just so damn hot here in Florida. is like as soon as I soap up the car, the sun dries it out, and it's such a pain. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys how the car looked all done up. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try to make more videos more frequently now that I'm all settled in at my new place, and I'm done trying to catch up on my life affairs. So I'll see you guys soon.